We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you an in-depth look at the TUONROAD Boys/Girls Hoodies, 3D printed cool hooded lightweight pullover sweatshirt for kids. This product has been making waves among parents and kids alike, and here's what people are saying about it. If you own this hoodie, please leave a review in the comments to help others decide if it's right for them. The TUONROAD hoodie is designed for children aged 6 to 16 and features vibrant 3D printed designs that are a major highlight of this product. Many parents have praised the eye-catching graphics, which range from galaxy prints to animal designs, making it a favorite among kids who love unique and colorful clothing. The polyester and spandex blend fabric contributes to its lightweight feel while maintaining durability. Parents appreciate that the material is easy to clean and doesn't shrink after washing, which is a huge plus for active kids who are constantly on the go. Comfort is another area where this hoodie shines. Reviews consistently mention how soft the interior lining feels, with one parent noting that their 13-year-old wears it almost every day because of how cozy it is. The silky texture of the fabric has been described as smooth against the skin, making it suitable for long hours of wear. Despite its lightweight construction, customers have found it warm enough for cooler days, though it may not be ideal for extremely cold weather without layering. Fit and sizing have generally received positive feedback. Most customers report that the hoodie fits true to size with ample room to move without being too baggy. However, there have been occasional comments about the material being thinner than expected. While some see this as a drawback, others view it as a benefit because it makes the hoodie versatile for different seasons and easier to layer under jackets or coats. The durability of the TUONROAD hoodie has also been praised. Parents have noted that even after multiple washes, the vibrant prints remain intact without fading or peeling. This longevity adds value to the purchase, especially for families looking for affordable yet stylish clothing options for their children. Additionally, the hoodie's lightweight nature makes it a practical choice for school, casual outings, or even lounging at home. That said, there are a few areas where some users feel improvements could be made. While the lightweight fabric is appreciated by many, some customers were initially surprised by its thinness and expected a thicker material for added warmth during colder months. Another point of feedback involves the lack of additional features like pockets or adjustable drawstrings on some designs, which could enhance functionality. Overall, the TUONROAD Boys/Girls Hoodies, 3D printed cool hooded lightweight pullover sweatshirt for kids has garnered an impressive average rating of 4.4 stars from over 450 reviews online. It ranks highly in categories like girls' novelty hoodies and girls' fashion on major retail platforms, reflecting its popularity among shoppers. The combination of vibrant designs, comfort, and durability makes it a standout choice for parents seeking fun and practical clothing options for their kids. If you're considering purchasing this hoodie, you can find more details through the link provided in the description. Your support helps us continue bringing you detailed reviews like this one. And if your child already owns this hoodie, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a review in the comments below to help other parents make an informed decision.